Right, so welcome back to Stitchcraft 101, everybody. In this video, we're going to learn how to close off a circle and fasten our loop. So without further ado, let's jump in. So you likely have some sort of shape like this. I just made a quick little ball just so I can show you how to close and fasten. So what we're gonna do when we are closing off a shape is I'm gonna pull my loop loose, cut my yarn. I'll just tuck that aside. And from here, I'm actually just gonna pull this yarn through. And that way, that's not going anywhere. And I'm gonna use a yarn needle here to thread through. And on the outside loop of each stitch, I'm just gonna thread my yarn through. So I'm gonna go in this outside loop, out this outside loop, in this outside loop, out this outside loop, and same thing here. And then I can just pull this shut and it'll close that circle off for me. And if you want to tighten everything and make sure it's sturdy, I'm going to go back into the center of my closed off circle here and come out one of these stitches so that I make this loop, then go through this loop to tie this knot. And when I say weave in your ends, that just means that from here I'm gonna enter a stitch and pop out any other stitch, literally anywhere, it doesn't matter, just to pull that out. And we're gonna cut right at the base. Now our tail is weaved into our little ball and our top is closed.